Hello DTube, hello Steemit, and maybe even hello YouTube. Okay, so I was reading this article on Steemit from Strauss, which made an awesome article about Elon Musk. I'm pretty sure that he interviewed him. It's a great long article, and I want to respond to this little thing here. So there was a question what Elon Musk was afraid of. He said extinction of human civilization. Okay, so I want to respond to my take on that. So Elon Musk is his theory is extinction of human civilization, and I mean that is an interesting perspective. My perspective personally is, I mean, with the universe and all of those good things, I don't have like I don't have this fear of extinction of human civilization, because the way I see it is we're here for a short period of time, and I think that probably things are already pre-planned. Okay, I don't think you really have that much. You know, I think that, I mean, you do your best, of course, but I think that things in the universe is pretty pre-planned already. That what, you know, if the planet is going to go extinct, I mean, then there's nothing you can do about it. I think that this idea that you're going to be some superhero and save the whole planet, I think that's a fantasy. Okay, I think that's a romantic fantasy that people want to have. They want to feel like some superhero, okay? And I think that we humans, is because the harshness of life, we kind of want to make things into some romantic thing that we're going to save the world and stuff like that. To be honest, I think that's pretty ignorant. I don't think any one of us can, you know, have that of a major effect in the universe. Because, yeah, we can move things around. We can move things around in the universe. We can move zeros. We can move value around between people. But, I mean, we are extremely ignorant, okay? I mean, we can do some small things on a big planet, okay? But the way I see it is, whoever built this universe, clearly we are not the only ones in this universe. Clearly, there are way more intelligent life in the universe, because I think it must be super ignorant to believe that we are the only ones that ever existed in the universe and nothing ever exists here. If you consider how much life exists on Earth, insects, animals, humans, trees, and everything, and to believe that the planet Earth is the only planet which has intelligent life forms, I think that must be super ignorant. Okay, I believe that obviously there's other life forms somewhere, and whatever happens to this planet, I don't really think that we can do some small things. We can do some business. We can hire 10 million people. Yeah, we can do some things like that, but are we really changing the world and things like that? I don't believe so. Maybe we can do some improvements for 100 years, but then usually go back to dark ages and things like that. Actually, I think that in a way things maybe are getting better over time, you know, in a way, but it's a struggle for existence. It's a struggle in nature. Things go up, things go down, but I don't understand this fear of you know, if civilization ends on Earth, I mean, then that's just like, I think that's already then pre-planned, and that you can't do anything about that, because, you know, I think there's some more powerful things in the universe that operate how things are being shared and stuff like that. And I trust the universe, okay? I trust the universe. I'm not paranoid about things. You know, I'm really not paranoid. I mean, I'm not paranoid about AI and stuff like that, but it's interesting areas. Like, okay, so what am I afraid of? Well, I mean, obviously I'm afraid of, you know, more day-to-day stuff, like challenge myself. I want to do that more. And that can be really scary. But then again, my fear is also what makes life great. It's what makes life amazing for me. My fear is what adds depth to life, that this is a shorter experience, you know. If we make these AI machines and stuff like that and we live forever, then kind of like the magic probably disappears. Okay, so I believe that the universe is perfectly planned to create a very interesting experience. Okay, and yeah, I really believe that if you can really be humble, work hard, and things like that, that everything's just gonna be fine. Okay, everything's just gonna be fine. But that means that I don't believe that if you stay ignorant, then I think bad things are gonna happen. But if you do your best, I mean, that's all you can do, right? You can't do any more, you know? There's some things you have influence over in the universe, but the other ones, you can't affect it. Like, if AI takes over, I mean, still, you can't do anything about it. If a meteor or the sun stops working, I mean, you can't stop that. You can't control that. Just let go. I mean, yeah. But I believe Elon Musk is doing some really cool stuff. You know, he wants to go to Mars and do interesting things. He build cool cars and stuff like that. But I think that he might be a little bit too narcissistic, maybe, in believing we are the only people in the universe and that we matters so much. I think that we're cool, but I believe there are way more cooler life forms somewhere. Okay. But it's pretty cool. I mean, I think humans are cool. Humans are cool, and Elon Musk is cool. I'm cool. You're cool. Everyone's cool. So yeah, quickly way to talk about that. Are you afraid of human civilization ending? I mean, yeah, it's a good question. Have a great day.